shade. Having a good day? What's going on, guys? We're at Indian Rocks, BLM, just south of the actual state park. But yeah, this place is cool. It's really busy here. There were a couple people that came by through the weekend. I stayed here, and it's Mondays, so I thought, it's my Thanksgiving in Canada, so I might as well spend another day off. Such a beautiful spot. Like I said, it's not busy at all. Got all the solar panels out and everything. The little ones are charging the house batteries. Big ones for the Blue Eddy. We got Starlink plugged in. So yeah, living like a king. Yeah, I'm liking this place. I'm just not too far away from the Utah border. I didn't think there was any reason to go any further south at the moment because it's just going to get hotter. So yeah, taking my time on traveling south, which is really nice this year. I'm really enjoying taking my time instead of rushing the drive and, just staying at Cracker Barrels and Walmarts and getting on the road again and driving 8 hours. And my foot's feeling really good. I've been doing all my physio on my foot, so it's feeling really good. Uma and I went for a walk yesterday looking for petroglyphs. I found out there are petroglyphs in this area. Yeah, found quite a few. Really cool seeing that stuff. And what else? Yeah, like I said, there's no reason to leave here. I got lots of food, I got water, I got lots of power, obviously, with the solar. Solar's doing great. And yeah, it's nice having the Blue Eddy for the Starlink. Because then that way I'm not plugging in or leaving the inverter on in the van. So yeah, I think I'm barely using any power in the van. So I think I'm almost at 100% on my van batteries. It's only, 1 o'clock in the afternoon? So yeah, I guess we're going to leave to Utah tomorrow. I think it's time to go. Like I said, I was going to leave today, but I just couldn't be bothered when I woke up. And I have that option that I don't have to go if I don't want to. But yeah, I think 4 days will be enough, or 3.5. I didn't get here till late on Friday. But yeah, like I said, there's no reason to leave. I'm liking it. I got food for tonight, so yeah, we'll just get on our way to Utah tomorrow, find a Planet Fitness, get some more groceries, and maybe find a spot in Utah to hang out for a few days. Yeah, this is suiting me just fine. I was going to rush down to Yuma to get my dental work done, but I thought that was kind of silly because I can't even leave Uma in the van for, if I'm gone more than 2 hours. I'm kind of worried about leaving the air conditioning on inside because that's all my batteries used to last, and I don't know if it still lasts that long or not. And I don't know if anybody's down there yet that I know that I can leave Uma with. So yeah, I'm gonna have to play the waiting game on that one, and hopefully at one of the 1,000 Trail parks that I stay at in Yuma, there'll be people there that I know that possibly I can leave Uma with. But I'm not going to take that chance right now and go into big 30-degree Celsius temperatures like 90s or 100s or anything. Yeah, I don't need to be in a black van, that's for sure. It just never cools off. Like I said, it's been 25, 26 Celsius the last couple of days, and it's been hot enough inside the van, although I've just been hanging out with Uma on the other side of the van in the shade. I should have parked the other way so I had shade in the afternoon. But hey, this works. Look at Uma. What you doing? She's a good girl. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so that's it. I just wanted to update you guys on where I am and what I'm doing. Like I said, I'm in no rush, still in Idaho. So yeah, in normal times on day 4 or 5, I probably would have already been in, I definitely would have already been in California. I don't know about Arizona yet, but yeah, I'm enjoying taking my time. It's a good thing. Alright, we'll talk to you guys in a bit. Well, hello Utah. Another beauty state to drive through, but we're not staying long as I notice the weather is changing to rain or possibly snow. So yeah, I'm just hoping to find the area that Kate and Carson took me to just north of St. George in 2020 that has some pretty epic views and great campsites. Let's go. Found it. What an epic sight. Holy cow. This place is freaking beautiful. My goodness. Holy cow. So yeah, now I wish I had left on Monday from Idaho because the weather's going crap tomorrow. So I'm probably going to leave early afternoon tomorrow, sadly. Oh, it's windy around here, but check out those views. God. Yeah, pretty damn sweet. Holy cow. So yeah, unfortunately we're only going to spend a day here. I hope the weather changes overnight, that I could check the weather tomorrow and say that it's going to be a beautiful day tomorrow, no rain, so I'll definitely stay here again. There are little iguanas or lizards floating around here somewhere too. There are a bunch of holes below those rocks that I've seen them running around on. Miss Uma was chasing them earlier. Did you just wake up from your nap? Yeah, so like I said, what a place. Holy cow. I'm definitely staying here, but yeah, I'm going to get the van together. I already got the solar panels out and set up. Well, that's done, but I'm going to have some lunch, and then I'll show you guys a hack that I learned in before I left for Mexico last year with rotisserie chicken. So we'll see you in a little bit. Alright, so I thought I'd show you this cool hack that I saw last year. Is when you buy a rotisserie chicken, I like buying these, and it was on sale when I was at the grocery store. Get multiple meals out of it, and it's actually cheaper than buying chicken breasts. So yeah, I'm in. So yeah, what you do, take your chicken, take the whole thing, you shove it in the bag. I like to wear gloves when handling the chicken. Take this off now. So yeah, you seal it up, and then you just start grabbing at your chicken and kind of pulling it off the bone as you're doing this. And it works great. Takes all the meat off the bone. You don't have to worry about cutting it up or anything. You always have a bag full of raw chicken. I'll show you the results in a minute. Alright, so we are done. There is a whole bunch of shredded chicken. Dark and white meat. I really don't care. But yeah, it's such an easier way to do it. And then all the bones are just kind of sitting in there. It's actually way better than I'd ever do cleaning a chicken, because I'd get lazy and just be using a fork and knife and leave a whole bunch of stuff on it. And another thing, it's a lot easier to do when it's warm and you just get home from the grocery store. I put mine in the fridge overnight so I could show you guys this in the video. It was a little tougher with the chicken being cold. It didn't pull apart quite as easily, to be honest. But yeah, we are making jerk chicken sandwiches tonight. It's just a thing I came up with. I like this, where is it? This President's Choice. It's from Canada, Memories of Montego Bay, Jamaican jerk sauce. I love this stuff. It's a great marinade, and it's great for putting in here. So yeah, I'll just take a bunch of that chicken and throw it in here after I cook up my veggies, and add some of the jerk sauce to it and let it cook and simmer, and then toast some buns and have a salad and some jerk chicken stir fry. Sounds good to me. Hope that's a good hack. I hope you guys like it. And I think that's it for this video. I'm going to start cooking my chicken, so that'll be the outro of I'll show you what the cooked product looks like. But yeah, If you guys haven't already subscribed, I really appreciate it. And we'll see you guys next time. Take care, guys.